Hey everybody, welcome back to the garage. Today we are out here working on this old truck and we're gonna get going. We're gonna start trying to clean up the interior a little bit. It's filthy dirty. I'll show you here in just a minute what we're starting with before we get going on it. But I think we're gonna take out the visors and the headliner and start vacuuming, cleaning, wiping down and seeing where we're at with it. So let's go check it out. And this lovely girl is gonna be doing most of it.
So I'm here, the cleaning.
That's right. Let's go check it out.
Ooh, look in there. This is how we got it.
Oof.
Let me go grab the other one.
Look at this. Oh. This
I
is
don't know how
pretty
people let
rough.
it get this way. Hey, where's the other one?
I don't know.
Do you only have one?
These visors are good on one side, bad on the other.
Yeah, we're gonna pull these off. We're gonna pull this
Pull
down.
this headliner down.
We're gonna see how beautiful it looks under there. See what we think. All right, well that looks
right.
good. Let me
Well,
just
let's-
get the trash out of there real fast.
Let's get going.
Yeah, let's take these off. Get that down off.
All right.
Oh, nice.
There's one. Let's go
Throw
do the
that
other
away.
side.
Yeah. Yeah, look how
And
bad.
That's the other one. Gone. Next, we need to pull out a bunch of screws. We're gonna get to this headliner, see what that looks like underneath.
I'll take that off. Wish us luck. We'll probably end up saving and reusing those.
Yep.
We got some new visors. They're going to be vinyl instead of the fabric.
Golly. I'm assuming those are, oh, they go straight up. Well, that was a little bit smarter.
Beautiful day here in West Point, Utah. About 70 degrees, absolutely gorgeous. And it's only March.
Yep. All right, we're getting closer.
Come on over.
The water's fine.
We have so much fun doing these projects together, I gotta tell you. You really never get to know your spouse until you do projects together.
That's true.
If you can get through doing all this and still love each other at the end of the day, you're all good. All right,
All right.
babe, good job.
I guess we'll start by pulling off this front trim. A few more screws. And those I'm going to put in the back wall. Oh, might have to help me hold that. I just don't want it to break the trim.
You got it. You got it, babe. See how we work here together? It's so fun.
Can't get it.
Here we go.
Okay, stay that one there. If I remember right, just have to loosen these. Loose.
Is that broken?
No, that's how it comes apart right there. There's a seam.
Oh, okay, good. We're hoping to get this off in one piece. We want to see what it looks like underneath. See if we want to go with just the metal look, or if we can salvage that, maybe we'll reupholster it. So we'll see. You know, a woman's gotta love a man with a power drill in his hand. I don't know why. It's just really sexy.
Oh, baby. Ooh la la.
Well, it is. It's just awesome to see. It's a real man right there, ladies.
That's a real man.
Although I could do it too, but since it's a one-person job,
can do
I'm
it
having
too.
the man do it. Okay, let's see if you can slide that out, Jay.
All right.
Ooh, it's moving. Oops.
We're almost there. Almost there.
Aha! Ta-dam! I did sound, oh my gosh. Look at that beautiful ceiling.
Oh, man.
Wow, I think we're just gonna leave it like that. We don't need it.
Dude, I like that.
I like that. That looks sharp. We'll put all these trimmings back on and we'll call it good. Wow, it looks absolutely gorgeous. Looks brand new under there. Oh, I just love it. Put the light back on. We'll get all the trimmings back on. We're good. If Jay can figure it out.
Yeah. Yeah, leave it to me. I'll mess this up.
It's 4 screws.
I know.
You can do it.
You can do it.
Line it up, Jay. Oh man, I have so much fun doing this with my husband. I can't tell you.
She loves to make fun of me.
I love it. Why not? Have a good time.
Let's see. I want to say like right there. Ish.
Somewhere in that vicinity.
Can you look with your eyesight?
I'm too far away.
I'm
I can't
guessing.
see.
I'm guessing at this point.
You know, one thing we do with these projects, it's like it should be so easy, but it never is.
No,
It should just line right up. It should just go right in. Oh,
There
no,
it is.
it never does. There you go, babe. You found it. Lights coming back on. It was interesting. We couldn't just turn those dome lights off with the door being open. Thought for sure we could just shut it, but nope.
Nope.
Right, last one. Get it all tightened up. Nice. Good job.
Okay. All right.
Over here.
Okay. There we go.
Nice. go. We'll edit that out.
Huh?
We'll edit that out. Why does it happen when you get older? You have to clear your throat all the time. I don't get it.
I don't clear my throat all the time.
We both do. It's like ever since we got COVID.
It's the COVID shot. Conspiracy theory.
No, it is so true. I never had to clear my throat until after I got COVID.
Guess what?
What?
We have new visors for this.
I know. Let's go get them.
Go grab them.
All right, I got you. It's coming pretty clean.
Now we gotta shampoo it. Get these seats shampooed, the carpets.
Oh, it's dusty up there, huh? We'll get it. Yeah, that looks pretty good for now. We got some new floor mats going in.
Okay, quick update. Susie has finished vacuuming and we still got to clean the carpets, but we're starting. That headliner is gone. We put our new visors in that we found, some used ones online. They're in really, really good shape. No more of the torn stuff. Real nice. And Susie is opening our new box of floor mats we'll put in. We got some color matched ones that are really, really dark blue. They're really cool. I like them.
Yeah, we've used these before in another blue Ford of ours.
I like that. So we'll get those put in. Get this thing, it's gonna start getting cleaned up in here, man. This is gonna be nice. All right, so this is where we're at for right now on the interior stuff. Got the light put back together and the visors. We got the floor mats in and vacuumed out. It's not carpet cleaned yet. And we got this lower dash portion put back in. The previous owner took this part apart. We have the bottom portion. We don't have the top portion yet. And we had this old seat cover from a previous project. We decided to try and see how it might fit this. And after I cinch it down and tighten it up, I think it might not look too bad. Susie's on the fence. She's not sure she likes it. So we may not use it, but I wanted to try it out and just see what we think. But after this all tightens up, all of this will all tighten up really good. Anyway, I kind of like it, and I definitely like that headliner out of there. That's nice and clean blue paint. We got the old headliner down there. We're gonna hold on to it because you never know, maybe we'll be able to remove all that foam, clean it up, and just recover it with some new fabric or something. So yeah,